Today's recipe is the Baja Fish Tacos. And now, this fun recipe came from my friend Ana in San Diego. She makes her batter with crushed crackers that you can either roll out, put in a blender, or use your food processor. Then you mix those breadcrumbs with Panko breadcrumbs, some flour, seasonings, egg, water, and lime juice. The result is the best buttery and crispy coating you've ever had. As far as the fish, I found that mahi-mahi or cod fillets are a great option when making this recipe, but you can use whatever firm white fish you prefer. I recommend a thicker fillet since they hold up better through the cooking process. I'm going to cut each fillet into strips and pat them with a paper towel. You're going to want to do this so the batter can stick to the fish. All you have to do is place the fish in the batter bowl and toss to combine. And here in this large skillet, I have 1 inch of oil over medium-high heat. You're looking for about 375 Fahrenheit. Let's place a few of the fish pieces into the oil and fry them until golden brown, flipping them at least once. Once they're cooked through and golden crispy, you just transfer them into a paper towel-lined plate. Of course, you'll need to work in batches since you don't want to crowd the pan. This results in a soggy coating, and that's a no-go for these tacos. All right, while the last batch is frying, I'm going to set up our taco toppings. We have some cabbage, avocado, fresh pico de gallo, and of course, sour cream. I have my tortillas warming up right here. I like them tasty enough so that they are pliable and they hug my taco ingredients perfectly. So let's start by placing some of the cabbage onto the tortilla. And then we top it with our crispy buttery fish, avocado slices, pico de gallo, and a little sour cream. This is looking so good. Oh man. Grab the recipe and the link to the Taco Tuesday cookbook below this video. See you next time.